to my boys. Scoop is watching iPad. Sky's eating. Rain is chilling. They're all just kind of roaming. How boys? Dad is tired because he spent all night trying to catch up on taxes. Oh, you're so cute. Scooper, are you going to wear your outfit to school? Ryan? You wear your outfit to school? Ham and cheese sandwich Mommy made. Come on. Ryan, turn around, please. Have a bite. Big bite. Okay, come on. Scooper. It's a hot pot kind of night. We're all chilling, having some good old meats. I ordered William Point, but it didn't come in time, so we're gonna try something new, like chicken broth and pork broth right here. Bon appetit! Me and my friends, Lisa and Kimmy, and Scooper. Getting close. Look, yank his arms. There you go. Hey, my freestanding baby. Huh? You were doing it all day yesterday. He likes to spread his leg a little further out. He feels like there's better balance, that's why. Like when his legs are like really far out, then he's more comfortable. But we'll catch him when he does it when he's sore. Alright, boys, been taking a shit all day. Yeah, you shit machines. God. Hey.
Fell.
Hey, good. What? Ready? Ready? You did it, honey. Oh, now you're getting distracted. Come on. Ready? Tika-ba-ba-ba. There you go. You go. Okay, there you go. Getting up. 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 Get up. There you go. Getting up. Okay, I guess you can use me, but I saw you do it by yourself. Go ahead. Get up. Okay, good. Okay. There you go. Oh. How about you? Can you stand? Not yet. Always catching that at the wrong moments. You can do it. Come on, Rain. Come on, get up. Go. Up. Oh. There you go. You're almost there. Almost there. Goodness. Here we go. Almost. Ooh. You were doing it earlier. Okay. Oh. So close. I want to see his face.
I'm gonna distract them.
Almost got it, honey. Almost. Okay, you can let go. There you go. Come on, boy. Look at you. Come on, boy. Oh, too scared. I know, honey. Come on, try again. Come on. Okay, come on. Up. Okay, a little help, a little help. Up, up. Up, 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 up. There you go. Okay, there you go. Look at you. Okay. Come on. Up, up. It's kind of like unsure. Okay, come on. Up, 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 up. Come on. Oh my goodness. He's gonna. Ow! It just bit me. You biting my. Alright. Boys are starting to get tired, so they'll come down. But we'll catch him standing later, I'm sure of it. He started standing yesterday, but today we are starting to catch on camera, so to document his milestone. This one not yet, but soon. Soon enough, everybody on your recreation. Okay, come. Hello. Hello, you did it. You did it. Did you see him? Get him? Huh? Sorry, not yet. Come on. Come on. Up. Over here. Over here. Walk over here. Come on. Come on. Yeah, I know. Oh, come on, you can do that. Get out of the way, Sky. You're not ready. Up. Up. Come on. You're doing it. There. Come on. Up, up, up. Yeah, you can do it. Come here, see his face. How happy he is. Up, up. Yeah, there you go. Do little squats. Again. 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 Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. Up, 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 up. Come on. Up. Come on. Yeah. There you go. Up. Up. Yeah. There you go. There you go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Here's a snack. Oh, I think it's just a standing for now. I'll take it. We're back in our zone here, hanging out, me and Brian. Just had some hot pot, try to clean up from yesterday's hot pot, lots of leftovers. He's working, and I'm just enjoying. Good night, guys. Chilling with the boys. These boys are growing big real fast. I think Sky's starting to stand up as well, but not as good as Rain. They love, 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 love the refrigerator. I have no idea why. But watch. Watch. Open the refrigerator and they're just like... Oh my goodness. Refrigerator's open. Here they come. Here they come. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I don't even know what they want to do in the refrigerator. Like, what is it? What do you guys want? They don't even they just tap on the thing. They don't take anything out. They just tap. But they flock so quick. Like, just shoo. What are you guys doing in the refrigerator? Huh? Huh? Just tapping it? Okay, boys. You're so cute. Yeah, just tapping away. Tapping away. So excited. Down. Down. My little precious moments. You guys are starting to little precious moments. Okay. Contain your excitement. Goodness. Hey. Hey. Scooper's home. He's having a chicken bake. Is it yummy? Mm-hmm. Yeah. He's got a little bit of a cold. Not sure where it's from, but it happens when he goes to school every now and then with kids. Hopefully he builds a strong immune. Okay, we're having steak night. Bon appetit. Sky has been super fussy, so just fighting his food, his sleep, all that good stuff. So I tried 2 times to feed him the bottle. Didn't work, so now I asked Brian to hold him and feed him. So seems like it's doing okay right now. He's doing okay. Oh my goodness. turn this way, let me see how you feed him. Oh my God. He likes to see things when he's eating. He doesn't want to be like, see? Nosy boy. Nosy boy. Scooper is sick, so we're gonna put him down early and hopefully he gets extra sleep. I feel like he's coming on a fever. Like, yeah.
The babies are sick.
Yeah.
So I think he's gonna catch it.
I think because the rain, we were hanging outside for a moment, but how are you feeling, honey? I know. I love you. You say I love you, mommy?
I love you, mommy.
Okay, kisses. I love you. Okay, go to sleep, okay? Have a good sleep. Rest up and get better, okay?
I'm getting some Benadryl.
Yeah.